The Abramtek E500 Bluetooth speaker. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unbox. In this video, we will look at a Bluetooth speaker, the Abramtek E500. I will go over specs, features, provide audio samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, power adapter, USB-C charging cable, and an audio cable. The E500 features 4.5 hours of playtime, Bluetooth 4.2, 200 watt output with 360 sound, EQ and sound profiles. You can pair an additional speaker, buttons, and slider controls. You will immediately notice the weight of the speaker. It has an aluminum body and a tower design. It feels very solid, and the bottom base has a rubber padding to provide it some stability. On the top, you'll find the following: a 3-band EQ so you can adjust the bass, mids, and treble, volume control, the profiles for movie, music, and games, HDMI Bluetooth auxiliary controls, the light button, and power. The controls are easy to adjust and they move smoothly, and the buttons have good feedback. On the back, you'll find the following: the HDMI input, LED, USB-C charge port, auxiliary, the output, and reset button. This also has a light on the bottom which you can toggle on and off, and it adds a nice accent. It's roughly 5 inches wide and about 22 inches in height. And now for some audio samples.
And if you try, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can't sit.
The speaker build is solid and has some good weight to it. The sounds were amazing. It just resonates with deep bass. Mids and highs are also clear and clean, and you have the option of adjusting the EQ to your listening preference. Volume levels get extremely high and it has no problems filling a large space. And you have the option of pairing an additional speaker as well. The only downside for me is that the battery life I feel falls short, coming in at 4.5 hours. These are definitely one of the loudest speakers I have tested, and it won't disappoint in my opinion. So that is my review of the Abramtek E500 Bluetooth speaker. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unbox. Take care everyone.